Hey guys, Johnson here. I'm in Leederville right now, and today we'll start our day here for train filming. Today there is actually Mandurah Line train disruption throughout the whole day and until next Monday. So that's why I want to figure out some things that related to Joondalup Line and Mandurah Line today. Joondalup Line, not really figuring out Mandurah Line, but I want to figure out Joondalup Line because Joondalup Line, it usually connects with Mandurah Line, but it does not connect to Mandurah Line today. Then what is going to happen? Will it terminate at Elizabeth Quay? And how it's going to work when it terminates at Elizabeth Quay? I can already see the train actually says terminating at Elizabeth Quay. Nice! So this train will terminate at Elizabeth Quay because you can see at the top there. Elizabeth Quay. So let's just take to Elizabeth Quay. Leederville to Elizabeth Quay. According to the caption, no Mandurah. I shouldn't check the number of this train. I'll check it out when I get off.
Attention, Transperth customers. Please be advised that smoking is not permitted on Transperth property or services. Jurisdiction rights. The other day, we got covered that. Yeah, so we're willing to work together. And if they do not negotiate on that level, then under our, all our terms and that, they are still got to work with the rest of the other originals as well. In doing a proper.
Let's see how the announcements is going to change as well. I have no idea. Would it change to just saying next station Perth and period, or is it? Oh, it's just let's just say next station Perth.
That negotiation of for the mandate thing, because I am one of the survivors from the last pandemic, and that's why I'm going all right through and standing my ground for each and every one of us who do not want to have the mandate. So they're blinding you against the truth. So they are really out of hand, trying to put it into underneath their law.
Alright, so heading over to Perth, and we'll terminate at Elizabeth Quay.
And the sheriffs will continually stand for.
So there will be train replacement buses for the Mandurah Line sections from the city to Aubin Grove. Train service between Aubin Grove and Elizabeth Quay are stopped for a few days, so Aubin Grove to Mandurah is normal.
Done in a fair way, in a proper way, protecting the children for the next generation, and that, because we also got to think about our children, how they're up there is trying to override the Indigenous mob up there, because whilst they are still doing all their negotiations up there, they coming back down here into my territorial ground. And finishing off everything from here, making deals, and that I cannot and will not stand by, because it is a wrong way. There's not many of us originals there on their little panels and that there, or you have the ones who doesn't really care, and they just want to, let's just do this here and that. Like I said, money, I do not like money. I was born without the money, and I will die without the money. And when they're coming along doing negotiations like that, they've got to think that when they say,
Because the official website said it is disruption between Elizabeth Quay and Aubin Grove. So that's why trains will run until Elizabeth Quay instead of like before. One time it is between Perth Underground and Coburn Central. Then it will stop service for Joondalup Line station. For Joondalup Line services, it will terminate at Perth. Overground, not the underground one, the big one. Next station, Perth. There's no announcement saying this train runs from Perth to Elizabeth Quay. Because Joondalup Line is also technically, I mean, Elizabeth Quay technically also on the Joondalup Line, so that's why they don't really need to say any extra.
There were other ways. Our jury will make sure we will charge them for treason. And I will come up there and I will serve letters
Alright, arrived at Perth.
to them, and if they do not comply with the letters,
Let's just check out the panel, which is just outside.
Further,
SP. What is this pattern? Pattern SP, huh? What is this pattern? SP. SP pattern, huh? That's the pattern that I've never seen before. I don't know whether every one of you have seen it before. The SP pattern. It's not even mentioned on anything. I think SP just means special instead of like before W pattern or the K pattern. It's a closing. I think on the outer side, Butler closing. Alright, Elizabeth Quay, train terminating. Let's get out. Let's see how this works. Does it have a turnback siding? I don't even see a turnback sidings. Oh, I think it's just gonna go outside and come back in on the other side. Will it have a turnback siding?
All passengers, please alight.
Alright. Here is Elizabeth Quay, the terminus for the day. That's a lot of staff on this platform. I actually need to check the number. This is 92. Yep, this train's terminating. Everyone has to get out. Train on to the other side to Butler. I don't know how this thing works. We're just going to. Yep. Elizabeth Quay, 59. Okay, 9259. (4092 5059).
Headphone. Remove the headphone. Where are you going to?
I'm taking buses very soon.
Yeah. Go up there.
Yeah, I will go up there very soon. Alright, so that's basically how they do it. They just clear the passengers and then send the train into the back side and come back into the other side. So that's pretty cool. I thought they're actually going to have the turnback siding before they reach the station, but yeah, not really. Apparently just do it like a Kennedy Town. They just kick the passengers out and send it back to the other side. So that's pretty cool. And then we'll take buses now for the bus channel that I'll be uploading tomorrow. So see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on these videos up top. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels in my Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!